Welcome to the 40th World of Concrete Show in Las Vegas. Newark Recycled Paperboard Solutions, formerly known as the Newark Group, is well known in the building and construction industry for their new form concrete forming tubes. Let's take a tour of the Newark Recycled Paperboard Solutions booth, where 5 new recycled paperboard products are being introduced.
I'd like to begin by talking about our new flooring product. It came out about a year ago. It's called Centurion. It's 4-6 mil thick caliper. It's 38 inches wide. It comes in 100-foot rolls. We are the only company that has the whereby to actually have the raw materials that go into the product, and we come out with the other end with the finished product. There's competitors out there that have to get board from other places. We actually are totally integrated, so the board that you're seeing with our product is 100% Newark, and we're very proud of that. As far as sustainable materials, it's all recyclable materials that go into that product. It's all treated with a waterproof material, so it resists water, resists moisture. It's a very durable product. We've heard from people that use it, because it does come in 100-foot rolls, that the layout is quite good. You don't have to worry about it curling. It's also the only product out there as far as a protective flooring product in 100-foot rolls that has a poly cover on the outside. It's like a bag, it's a shrink wrap material, so when contractors are taking this material and they're throwing it in the back of their pickups, they don't have to worry about the ends becoming dirty or marred or actually wicking moisture. It'll protect the product. We're very proud of that. As you can see, it's a Centurion is our brand. It's a green logo, and we also offer private label as well. So if we have competitors out there that are also looking at different kinds of logos and things, we also have that. We can turn it around very quickly. We can do it for a nominal fee. It's about a $350 plate fee, and you have a minimum order quantity of 12 pallets. We do go down as low as 3 pallets, but then the per charge per roll is actually a little bit higher. So we offer that for our customers as well. Next product I'd like to go through this morning is our product that's a chair product for rebar and for concrete, for wire, for forming sidewalks, garage floors. There's a ton of competitive products out there that are either plastic or they're metal, or in some cases they're concrete. We've gone through and we've designed this with waterproof material, so it does resist water. It's also a very strong product. It'll hold over 400 pounds of weight if you actually put a load on it, and we've tested that. We've done extensive testing with this product through George Brown University in Canada, looking at voids to make sure that when concrete does flow into this, that there are no voids, there's no open areas. As a matter of fact, I can show you a concrete cutaway here. You can actually see our product here. You can see another part here. In fact, if you look in the middle, that's actually the rebar, and there are absolutely no voids at all. So it's a very good performing product. We are the only paperboard chair out there. We have a patent that we've applied for this product. And if you want to actually see this product in use, you can see that we have a display over here. We have wire here, which shows it being suspended above a base, and then we have rebar down here. Because the product is square in form, and it's also a very stable product, and for those people that want to put this on some sort of moisture barrier, it will not punch through on the moisture barrier. So again, another new product from Newark that we're very excited about. Next product I'd like to talk about this morning is our new product called an over-door pack. As you can see, it protects an entire door. It comes in 6 different panels that protects both sides of the door. You'll find that most of Newark's products are made not only for its core use, but also for the added use of convenience and ease of use. This product is very simple to use. You can see there's a Tyvek hinge on top. You basically put this product over the door. It unfolds in an accordion style and protects both sides of the door. It leverages some of Newark's technology as it relates to both recycled paperboard and foam. And if you look at the product before it's put on the door, you can see it's got foam in the center and it's got paperboard on either side. This product is not only good for its first use, but also many uses beyond that. It's a multiple use product, so it's not a matter of just buying it for one time. Certainly you can use it for many different jobs. We've been prototyping this for the last couple months and have had such great response, we've actually sold over 500 of these in the Toronto market. The other product I'd like to talk to you about this morning is a new product that we've come out with for our consumer part of the business, probably our first consumer product that Newark has come up with. It's called Detect Protect. It was designed initially as a garage floor protection product, something that people could put underneath their cars. But upon market research and consumer testing this, we've actually found that people use it for other things. People can use it to actually put their shoes, boots, things like that as you go into your home. Also for small motorized vehicles, snow blowers, if you have lawnmowers, go-karts, whatever. If you want to do some work on that, you can do that as well. And then finally, we find that contractors working in a home, painting, staining, things like that, you put your paint and stain on it. You can move it around in the home. It's 45 inches by 36 inches wide. Right now, I can show you our display case here. This will be packed with as many as 24 of these individually. But again, 36 by 45 inches as far as the size. And you're able to get, again, going back to our contractors, you can put paint and stain and things like that on it. It works very well. Unlike the traditional drop cloth, you can actually move it around. You don't have to worry about ripping plastic, things like that. It is constructed with a white poly on the surface. And I'll just open up one of the products here. It's trifold. And then we have a poly lined on the back to keep your moisture actually on the surface. It will hold up to 1 gallon of liquid. The white surface is where the detect part of the detect protect name comes from, because depending upon what drips, if it's oil, transmission fluid, windshield washer fluid, you're able to tell exactly what that fluid is. More of a diagnostic layer, if you will. But it leverages a lot of Newark strengths in paperboard recycling and also the folding and the hinge technology that we have. And you can see it folds up. It's a very compact performing product. You can just put it in your display, leave it here. It works very well. This product I'd like to talk to you about this morning is called Newark's new Soft Shield product. It has foam on one side, a 40-point board on the other, as you can see. They come in 20 inches by 40-inch sheet. These are the sheets that I'm showing right here. We've made these as large as 72 inches and actually sold them on pallet load quantities. But it's made really to protect countertops. If you look through a countertop, and this is an example of one here, you can see the foam on one side, and you also have your paperboard on the other side. We've also had customers come back and have used this product for stairway protection. Again, the foam would be on one side on the bottom of the stairway, which would provide a bit of an anti-slip surface, along with your protective paperboard on the top. Again, leveraging a lot of Newark's technology, both in recycled materials and also laminating foam to the other side. But it's a very versatile product because you can cut it to size, you can tape it together, really whatever the customer wants. But we're selling this initially by 20 inches by 40 inches, but certainly customizing it to different sizes is entirely possible.
For more information about Newark products, please go to www.newarkpb.com.